Hello students, part of my fourth video regarding trigonometry. Thought of recapping part 1, part 2 and part 3. So part 1 was regarding right angle triangle. So I've drawn a triangle here. This triangle ABC with angle B as 90 degrees. So if B is 90 degrees, then opposite side is hypotenuse, that is AC. Remaining two angles are going to be called as acute angle because these two angles will be less than 90 degrees. So one of the reference angle I marked it as theta. So if I mark angle C as theta, then the side opposite to that is called as opposite side. The other side is going to be called as adjacent side. Now Pythagoras theorem, what it says is in triangle ABC, that is angle B is 90 degrees. So this is important, which angle to be mentioned as 90 degrees. Then square on the hypotenuse is AC square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, AB square plus BC square it is. Now this was regarding Pythagoras theorem. Then we marked one of the angle as theta. Based on that, 6 trigonometric functions to be taken up. 6 trigonometric functions, they had their abbreviation form, that is sine, S-I-N-E. Sine of an angle theta is called as sine theta, S-I-N, not sin theta, it is sine theta, which is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. The second function was cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Then third was tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent. That means when you look into sine and cos, these two hypotenuses are eliminated for tan. Tan is going to be opposite side divided by adjacent. That's why I said remember only sine theta, the rest of them will follow as it is. Then the rest of the three are reciprocals of the first three. Sine theta's reciprocal is cosec theta, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. Cos theta's reciprocal is sec theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. And cot theta is going to be adjacent by opposite, reciprocal of tan theta. Then we looked into certain proving problems, that is LHS to RHS. We proved that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or you can say cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Or also requirement if required, that is wherever it is sin theta into cosec theta, the value of that is equal to 1. Provided that these thetas should be having the same angles. That means if I say sine 30 degrees into cosec 30 degrees, value will be equal to 1. It is not that sine 90 into whatever the value is going to be 1, sine 90 or cosec 45 is not going to be 1, because both these theta values has to be same, then only you are going to say it as equal to 1. So the first part, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. It can be also cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, or cross multiplied sin theta into cosec theta, value is going to be equal to 1. The next reciprocal was cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta can also be written as 1 by cos theta, or when you cross multiply it, cos theta into sec theta, value is going to be equal to 1. And again, provided that theta has to be the same. Next trigonometry function was that is reciprocal, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or what you can say, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, or tan theta cross multiply into cot theta, value of that is equal to 1. Provided that theta value has to be the same. Then the fourth and fifth, which are very important part, which plays a huge role in proving problems. Whenever you want LHS to be proved to RHS in terms of sine and cos, then this comes into existence. Tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta, or cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Both this tan and cot are referred in terms of sine and cos it is going to be. Okay, just have a look into it, go through it, be thorough, and basically it is going to come up with practice, don't buy at it. It's only practice is going to make it perfect. Write it down, sincerely sit and write it down. You'll understand the things once you get a grip of it. It's the easiest of the subject, or the easiest of the topics, if you can say, and it is going to help you in building your basic mathematics. Okay, see you in the next part. We'll look into some problems. Um, Subscribe, and have any comments, just leave it, or have any problems, you can leave the problems in the comment section. I look into it and try to solve those problems, take up each and every problem one by one, and try to solve those problems. Thank you.